Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through B2 first, open close, exercise number FCE050. Let's start with number 1. She blanked stand it when people talk down to her. She says she hates people feeling superior. The correct answer is can't. Can't stand means to strongly dislike something. For example, I can't stand loud music. Another example, he can't stand waiting in long lines. Moving on to number 2. I think your brother is very arrogant. He doesn't like me blank either. The correct answer is much. Doesn't like me much means he doesn't like me a lot. For example, she doesn't like her manager much. Another example is, they don't talk to me very much. Next up, question 3. Don't forget to turn out all the lights when you leave and blank sure the burglar alarm is switched on. Remember, I showed you how to do it. The correct answer is make. Make sure means to ensure something happens. To be sure. For example, make sure you lock the door. Another example is, she made sure everything was in order before leaving. Here's question 4. The church may look very old, but blank actually built only 25 years ago. The correct answer is was. Was built is used in the passive voice to indicate when something was constructed. For example, the house was built in 1900. Another example is, this huge bridge was built last year. On to question 5. You blank walk any more than absolutely necessary on that leg, the doctor told him. The correct answer is shouldn't. Shouldn't is used to give advice against doing something. For example, you shouldn't eat so much junk food. Another example is, he shouldn't drive so fast. Another possible answer for this question is mustn't, which is much stronger than shouldn't. Question 6. Your cousin, Sammy, first met me on August the 5th last year. Blank was a very hot day, as I remember. The correct answer is which. Which here is being used as a non-defining relative clause to give additional non-essential information to a sentence. For example, she gave me a book, which I really enjoyed. Another example, he bought that red car, which is very expensive. Question 7. When fingerprints were first discovered, it was believed that blank 2 people had the same ones. The correct answer is no. No 2 people means not any 2 individuals. For example, no 2 people are alike. Another example, no 2 days are the same. And now the last one, question 8. Have you chosen a name blank your 2 dogs yet? The correct answer is for. A name for indicates the purpose of the name. For example, she chose a name for her baby. Another example, he picked a strange name for his new company. That's all today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.